Hey, Tom here, FlipAnything USA. So I'm in one of my rehab properties here.
It's the best thing I ever did! Woo!
Got new cabinets in, got new countertops. You can see I've got crown molding up on the top. I want to talk about the evolution of cabinet heights. Used to be, this is a little couple of vanities I pulled out of this house, right? Now these are probably only 30 and a quarter inches height, finish out about 31 after the countertop's on. Well, I owned a cabinet shop for 10 years, and so I used to build stuff like this all the time. I didn't build these, I'll probably never build a cabinet again the rest of my life, unless it's on the job on the spot and I need to help somebody do it. The height is what's changed. This is the replacement cabinet you see here on this one, and you can take a look here. It's like, right, it's up to my waist, right? Just below my belt, right? It's hitting me below my hip, just below my hip. And now let's come over to over here and take a look. You can see this thing here it's 5 inches lower, which is kind of my point. People still, you'll have an option on that. And the cabinets are generally 24 inches deep inside a kitchen. That's like always the case, 24 inches. The bathrooms usually are 21 inches deep. Some instances they'll be 18 if things are tight. But I can tell you right now, the advantage of the lower cabinets, of course, is little kids can wash their hands and that sort of thing, but you can always provide a step up so that you can get up and reach the sink, that sort of thing. And we're in the kitchen here, there's more light. But the kitchen, so the bathroom cabinets today are now being held at the same height as the kitchens, which I can tell you, the older you get, the less you want to bend over, that sort of thing. So the height is more important to elderly for sure, because they can't bend down far enough. It's just like, I bought schools before, and the preschools and that sort of thing, the elementary schools, the water fountains are way down. In fact, the request I get when I rehab a school into office is, can you get us a drinking fountain that's more at a height that an adult can bend down and drink. Just thought I'd make that point. If you're in the market for buying new bathroom cabinets, be sure to check the heights, because different cabinet people have different mindsets on what's a good height or not. But I would say if you're an adult and you don't have any little kids, you want to go with the 36. If you have some little kids, you can consider going to the shorter cabinet. But if you have if you have a bad back, you definitely want to stick with the higher cabinet, so you don't have to bend over as far.
Stop and listen. Time is on a mission to eliminate all the snake oil and the fake gurus that fake y'all. He'll show you how to build an empire, starting with nothing but a desire. All you really need is a good mentor, not a used car bullshit. With time, you'll learn to crush it. Investing like Warren Buffett. With real estate, you cannot procrastinate. Everyone who hesitates is left at the starting gate. Hey, yo, so don't delay and join today. The mentorship and FlipAnything USA. Go.
I own a lot of rentals of all kinds, residential, commercial. I own apartment buildings and commercial and strip centers and industrial. I love it all. There's no bad real estate. There's just bad deals. But I want to give you a little tip here, because this just coming to mind. So my first look at this, and I can see that laundry cabinet looks a little bit low. But we're in a day and age now where there's mostly front loader washer and dryers are becoming the most stylistic, coolest thing. On these cabinets, your laundry cabinets used to have to keep them a little bit higher for the lid, right? When you open up the top of the washer. Well, now everything is front loading, pretty much, not everything. So you're able to take the cabinets down a little lower, and you get that extra storage above. Which maybe the kids can start doing their own laundry, right? They can reach the soap and fabric softener and that sort of thing. Just something to consider. And that's it again. Hey, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate it. Helps the channel, helps the algorithm, I'm told, right? Hitting that subscribe button. We'll see you later.